Hey guys, welcome to another xt.com tutorial. Today this video will be dedicated for P2P merchants. I will be guiding you on how to proceed and apply for the XT Merchant application. Now, what is P2P, you may ask? XT P2P is a decentralized platform whereby two individuals interact directly with each other without third-party intermediation. For step 1, you will need to make sure that you sign up on xt.com, and it is mandatory to verify your email address and phone number. Google authentication is recommended and optional. Now, for identity verification, or KYC, you will need to complete basic and advanced verification levels to be able to proceed with the merchant application. I have already uploaded a video on how to sign up and finish the level 1 KYC verification. Please find it on the top right corner of the screen. For KYC level 2 verification, you will need a working camera and a microphone. As you can see, you will need to record yourself saying those numbers out loud on video. And you need to upload the video and provide your security password, which is not the same as your regular password. Now, to access the P2P merchant application, you will need to go to Buy Crypto section and go to Merchant Application. Please keep in mind that you will not be able to proceed unless you have 2000 USDT in your fiat account, which will be frozen as a deposit. In the P2P section, you will find the Ads Management section where you can publish buying or selling ads, the Order Management section to manage all your orders, and the Trading Center fiat account and personal information to modify any account-related or binded information. That is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. See you next time.